Microsoft Expression Web Practical Task 2. You are going to help develop a website for the Goa Elephant Sanctuary to raise awareness of the project. Viewers of the website may have slow internet connections, so efficient markup must be used. Step number 1, create a web page called 1632guest.htm. This web page works in all browsers and will have a table structure as shown below. Now I'm going to open the ExpressionWeb program and save my web page inside my working folder under the name 1632guest.html. Here we go, 1632guest.htm. Alright, now I'm going to create this table. I think this table composed of 4 rows and also 4 columns with the width equal to 736, because it's a very important point to mention here. Once you will find the dimensions of all of these cells inside your table, be careful about the width of the table, and then inside the working with the table we're going to change the height of each cells. So I'm going to choose table, insert table, set the number of rows to 4 rows and set the number of columns to 4, and also change the table width to 736 pixels, and then press OK. Now I'm going to select the first row and then right click, choosing modify merge for these cells, and then right click from cell properties. I'm going to change the height to 172. It's already set it for the whole of the table, but if you want to be sure, you can set the cell properties here to 736. Now I'm going to select the second row, right click. From cell properties, I'm going to assign the width for each cell to 184 and the height to 140. Okay, then with row number 3, right click, cell properties, changing the width to 184 and also the height to 140. Finally, with row number 4, I'm going to select row number 4, right click, modify merge, and then change the cell properties to 736 and the height to 140. Here we go. Alright, you must be sure between each number of steps you need to save your web page. Now, the table border and the letters shown in the table must not appear on your final web page. Tamam. With step number 2, place in cell A the image 1632 logo.jpg and resize it to 730 pixels wide, maintaining the aspect ratio. So I'm going to choose this image from my support files folder. So from insert picture from file, here is the image that I'm looking for. Okay, and then I'm going to double click over this image. From the picture properties window, I'm going to choose the appearance tab to change the width to 730 and keep the aspect ratio options checked to maintain the aspect ratio. Okay, that's it. Tamam. Moving to the next step. Using the most appropriate image from 1362 image 1 to 1632 image 8 and place it in these cells. In cell B, I need elephant in a river. Insert picture from file. I think this one is suitable for this. And here, elephant right. Okay. I think this one. Now with a stream in jungle, sorry. So this one is a appropriate one. And finally, insert picture, it's about garden. Here we go. Okay. Now make sure that appropriate text is displayed for each image if it's not available. all of us knowing that the alt attribute related to the image tag means that if the image is not available, I have alternative text appeared instead of the image. So I'm going to take the word elephant in a river, copy it and add it here as an alternative text. Okay, now I'm going to double click over the second image, and in the alternative text box I'm going to paste the word elephant right. Now with image number 3, stream in a jungle. And finally, image of a garden. Alright, don't forget to save your work. Now, in cell F, enter the text. So I'm going to copy this text and paste it inside my web page. But there is a very important point I wanted to mention here. If I'm going to take this text as a copy and paste it inside my web expression directly, it will take the format from the Word. So I don't need any format to this text. So I'm going to copy this text and paste it inside Notepad to remove any format related to this. Elephant bath time. Copy and paste it in Microsoft Word, Notepad, sorry. To remove all of the format. Come on. Now set to style H1, so I'm going to select all of these cells and choose H1 from here. Now place in cell J the text updated by, so I'm going to take it as a copy, paste it in the Notepad, followed by your name, okay, center number, and also my number, and set this to style H2. Okay, now center align this table in your browser, so I'm going to select this table. Alright, and then save your page. Perfect. Now create a new cascading style sheet to use with this website. Okay, so I'm going to get a CSS page. Now a background color for web page is black, so from format, new style, the background related to the body tag, so I'm going to type in the selector body, and here from the background I'm going to change the background color to black. And now from format, new style, and this is the very important point we mentioned during our sessions, how we gonna to add more than one option in the CSS file. Here I need to add H1 and H2 to be Helvetica and Arial and sans serif fonts. So here I can do this by adding H1, comma, H2. Simply like this. With the font family, I'm going to type Helvetica. If I type Arial, I find that this, yes. So I'm going to cut the Helvetica from here to be added at the beginning, comma, Arial, comma, sans serif. So I add the font family for both H1 and H2 in this way. Okay, now I'm going to change the H1 format from format new style. I'm going to add some formatting for H1. The text color will be white. Okay, 30 point in height, 30 pixels. Okay, align to center and italic, so align to center. Here text align to center, and here the font style is italic. White, 30 pixels, center italic. Alright, now with H2, I'm going to set the color to blue, red, green. Okay, be careful that I know that the order of the colors is red, green, blue. And when I'm going to type it inside the ExpressionWeb with the hexadecimal values, I need to add hash at the beginning, and then FF to represent the green color, to represent the red color, and then the green color, and finally with the blue color. Okay, font size to 20 pixels, height, and also the align to right, so from the block text align to right. Okay, now with the table, no visible grid lines or borders. So we know that the borders related to the table tag and the grid lines is related to TD tag. So I'm going here to choose format, new style, and then type table, comma, TD to apply the format for both options, table and TD. And then from border, I choose the style to none, and then OK. So save this style sheet in your folder with the name style, and then followed by your candidate number. So I'm going to save it inside my working folder under the name style, followed by my number. Okay, now attach the style sheet to your web page. I'm going to my web page, and we need to let it with the normal view. From task pans, I'm going to reset the working space area. From here, I'm going to attach my style sheet. Okay, that's all about task number 2. Thank you.